Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Miriam Murungu. If you've never tuned in before, you're very much welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, hey, what's up? So for today's look, I'm gonna be doing something very simple, just like a very simple look. Like it doesn't need a lot of effort and stuff like that. And if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, then continue on watching and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye bye. Hey guys, so to begin, I'm gonna be beginning with my eyebrows. I'll start with my eyebrows, and I'm gonna be taking my Anastasia brow pencil in chocolate, and I'm just gonna use this to outline my eyebrows and then fill them in and then clean them up using some concealer. Next, I'm going to be taking my Maybelline concealer and this tapered brush, and I'm going to be using this to clean up my eyebrows. This just makes the eyebrows stand out more and make them look more pronounced. Okay, so moving on, I'm gonna be taking my LA Girl Pro Conceal corrector in this. It's an orange corrector, and this basically cancels out darkness and discoloration. So moving on to foundation, I'm gonna be taking this Giorgio Armani Power Fabric Long Wear High Coverage Foundation, and this is what it looks like. It's in the shade 13. Concealer, I'm gonna be taking my Too Faced Born This Way Multi Sculpting Concealer in the shade Chestnut, and this is what it looks like. Now the trick with concealer is when you put it on, you do not want to blend it right away. You want to give it a few minutes so it can be tacky. This way it doesn't like smudge everywhere. So when you blend it in, it kind of just sits in place wherever you blend it into. Because if you were to blend it right now, it would just kind of like move all over the place and it wouldn't really sit into your skin. And you want it to sit into your skin, not just like slapped on the surface. After a minute or so, I'm gonna be taking my beauty blender, and it's a bit damp. You want to damp your beauty blender so it blends effortlessly. If you use it dry, it's not gonna work. It's not it. And I actually like to use my brush on my chin and forehead, and then use my beauty blender for my underneath my eyes. I just feel like this blends easier for me. To set my concealer, I'm gonna be taking my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter setting powder in the shade Honey, and this is what it looks like, and it's in the shade Honey. Oh, it's upside down. Honey. And I'm just gonna use the same beauty blender, I can't speak today, that I used to pat in my concealer. So when it comes to setting my concealer, I like to use two different setting powders. So the next setting powder that I'm going to be taking is the Airspun Loose face powder in the shade Translucent, and this is what it looks like. You don't have to use two powders. I just like to use two powders because this one is very, very light. So it gives it like a very bright look. This looks very natural, like it just looks like skin tone or whatever, but I like to use the Airspun just to give it a more brighter effect, if you get my drift. As you can see, this is very, very pale compared to the Fenty, so I just like it to give it a bright effect. After that's done, I'm going to contour, and I'm going to be taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Foundation in Earth, and this is what it looks like. Spray my face with a matte NYX matte finish spray. And that's just gonna help to set all those powders and concealers and foundations down into my skin. And so moving on to eyeshadow, I'm gonna be taking one of my favorite palettes lately, and that is the Warrior Second by Juvia's palette, and this is what it looks like. It's so pretty. And then these are the colors inside. They're all very matte and just very pigmented colors. And for today's look, I'm mainly gonna be taking these two shades, this brown and this dark brown. And so yeah, I'll just start with this shade right here called Yodit. And I'm gonna put this on the outer corners of my eyes all the way to the inner corners. And this is gonna act as my transition shade. Then next, I'm gonna take this shade right here called Kufuru. if you guys are looking for eyeshadow palettes and you don't know where to start, Juvia's Place, where I got this palette, it's a great place to start. They have really big palettes and they have a lot of different collections, and their eyeshadows are pigmented. Like, you will not be disappointed. They have glitters, they have shimmers, they have mattes, they have a lot of vibrant colors. So they have like literally everything for anyone. So definitely check them out if you're in the market for eyeshadows. I'm gonna be lining my eyes using the Too Faced Better Than eyeliner. These names, y'all. Then next, I'm gonna be taking my Buxom, what's a funny name, mascara in black is black, I believe. I'm gonna coat my eyelashes, and then I'm gonna apply some falsies. And to finish this look off, I am going to be using my highlighter. Now this is the Lancome highlighter. I'm going to be taking this Morphe brush to kind of just put this on my cheekbones. Gloss Bomb in Fenty Glow. This smells so good.